Welcome to another SailfishOS app podcast, and this time I don't want to show you a new app but an already known app, in this case my app called Webcat, the web browser, and this is the brand new version 2.8 and I want to show you some of the cool new features. The first thing that you will notice when opening up is a new tab bar. Yeah, you don't have horizontal tabs anymore, you have vertical tabs. So you can see one tab in here. If I just open up another tab, you can see the tab right below. And as you can see here, I have a close button on every tab now, so I can just simply close a tab or switch to a tab if I'd like to. That simple. So very simple tab switching. And I think it's overhauled now. It looks just a little bit better than the earlier version, and I think this is a good improvement. And the next thing that you might notice is that there's an arrow down indicating an option menu on the tabs bar or tab bar. What you can do here is press on it, and it will allow you to just simply quick start some of the most used inbuilt features, just like, for example, the file manager, the backup manager, the video player, or the download manager. So if you go to the file manager, as you can see, it will just simply lets you see your files, and you can just simply open up the files. Of course, those files that are possibly to open in the web browser, Webcat itself, it will just simply load them. Other files will be loaded externally. Of course, you have the option to just simply cut, copy and paste, or delete as well. Folders, for example, or files. And yeah, this is a nice feature in the file manager. Then, of course, there's the backup manager. The backup manager now stores into the documents directory. It's a new rule for the harbor, for the Yola store, to store backups or backup files in the documents directory instead of the home directory. So this is a change in here. And there's a video player, a little bit overhauled as well. As you can see here, you now get an indicator for pulley menu. And what you can do now is simply open streams or open files. So if you have an URL to stream, you can just type it in here or paste it in here and load the URL. Otherwise, you have the option to open a file, which will then, of course, load the file manager again. The next thing that you can do is, of course, opening the download manager as well. But I want to show you some other cool new feature. In settings, there's now an option to switch between the default cover action group. So the default actions in the cover action menu, if I'm on a web page, is new tab or stop and refresh. And what you can do now is just simply click on it, and you can change this to previous tab, next tab. Let me just do this, save the setting, go to the website in here, and as you can see here, now I have a next tab here. If I click on this, it will just simply switch to the next tab without me entering the application itself. So I can see in this cover action, in this cover view, I can see the different tabs just by clicking on them, which is, I think, a nice addition. So this is now implemented into settings. Then there is something new in settings as well, hidden in the pulley menu. It's a cookie manager, and it will take some time to load, depending on how much cookies you have, but then it will allow you to just simply search all, or see basically, first of all the cookies that are set currently for the browser, and you have a search bar down below. You can search for cookies, just like, for example, let me search for not found, let me search for something like this. I can also delete one cookie if I'd like to. If I don't like this one, I can just simply delete this cookie as well, which is, I think, a nice addition as well. So these are, of course, you have always the option to clear all cookies if you like to. These are some of the new features of the Webcat browser. There are some speed improvements as well, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this new UI. Hope you enjoyed this new version of Webcat. If you like this application, you can go to the Yola store, give it a thumbs up, Or you can just simply also download it from Open Repos warehouse app and give it a thumbs up there as well. Yeah, this is everything for this little demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.